Good morning all, Mario here. Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the farm. It's another Sunday, so it's time to get going with volume 2 of the garden beds video. So last week I built the small ones for the greenhouse. I still need to finish them, but in this video I will build a larger ones. After watching thousands of videos on YouTube and watching pictures on Pinterest and reading, I think I have found a design that works for me. So it will be a modular. The beds will be 60 centimeters in height, and as I said, it will be modular. So the smaller one will be 120 by 120, so approximately 4 feet by 4 feet, and then we can grow, so 240 by 120 or 360 by 120, so 3 sizes. So it's either 4 by 4, 4 by 8 or 4 by 12. So this is basically the design. I will cut all of the materials beforehand, and then I will show you all of the materials, what I will be using. So I will be using a lot of recycled wood, so wood left over from previous projects or from old demolitions, which is usable wood. So, and then there will be some roofing metal as well used for these boxes. So yeah, let's get it going. I will get all of the things ready and start working, and then in between I will tell you where I'm at and what's the plan next. So I hope you enjoy. Smash that like button, follow the channel, subscribe, and click on the notification bell as well to be up to date with all of the videos coming up. So yeah, let's go. So for the posts, I've picked some used 4x4s, so 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. I have 4 of these here. Not sure yet how long they are, but these will be the legs, so 60 centimeters height. I will cut all of them and let's see how many I get, and then we can decide do we have enough for all of the beds or not. But at the moment it seems like it's not enough, so we will use some other materials as well. So yeah, but let's cut these into size and then let's move forward. So I cut the posts from the material that I had, but I'm missing some for the 3 boxes. So at the moment I have only enough posts for 2. So we will use these 10 by 10s or 4 by 4s for 2 boxes. So the smaller one and the middle one. So in total we need 10 posts. For the larger one I need 8 posts together. and then for that I will use some 2x4s for the posts. But yeah, let's cut the material now for the sidings. I will use the same old boards that I used the last time for the small boxes. So let's cut those, and then let's figure out what I will do with the big box. Cut the material for the big box as well, and then let's start assembling it, get the frames together, and then cut the roofing metal to size. Posts and the boards for the frames for all of the boxes, and now if I see them in the real size, then on paper it looked a little bit better, but the 360 one is a little overkill, I think. But let's put it together and then let's see. But next I will got the metal roof sheets for the inserts, so this is next up.
1 week later.
So the week has passed. Yeah, last week I had to stop the vlog because I heard a noise from the barn from the second floor. So I checked it, and it was a little kitten. Yeah, didn't see the mom around, and haven't seen the mom for a week. So most probably she left. And yeah, so you two people meet little Rosie. Yeah, she's the newest member of the homestead. Probably you will see her a lot more in the coming vlogs. Yeah, she's doing now good. For the first 2 days she didn't eat anything, and yeah, she was a little afraid, but now she's eating good, sleeping well, playing, having fun, so probably everything is okay. Yeah, and now let's get back to the garden beds. So back at the barn, all of the materials for the frames were cut last week. So yeah, now we need to put the frames together. I will do the sides first, and then I will move to a place where we have a little bit more space to put them together and to show you an overview how they will look. So yeah, time-lapse mode on, and let's put the frames together. So the sides for the frames are done. This was I think the biggest thing. So here is 120 by 120, 240 by 120 here, and then on the ground 360 by 120. But I think the 360 one is it's quite huge, and it needs also quite straight material to have it all squared out. So let's see. Now I will move all of these to the place where we have a little bit more space, then we will put them together, and then you will see the almost final picture how the garden beds will look.
frames are ready. This is 120 by 120, 120 by 240, and the biggest is 120 by 360, but I'm thinking that maybe I will not do this one so wide. I will think about it a little bit and then let's see. But yeah, the frames are looking good, so now let's get the inserts and let's get them almost ready, and then I can describe you what will be happening next. So yeah, these are the garden beds, almost ready. Yeah, and the garden will be coming there behind the greenhouse. There, yeah, on the other side there will be the raised garden beds garden. How the garden will look, I will show you the design and the process in the upcoming vlog. Not in the next one, but in the upcoming vlog somewhere, because there is also a really nice mobile application to design your gardens, and I want to demo that as well and show you what you can do with that. So yeah, these are the garden beds here. I think they will do their job, and we will get them finalized and at their place when the time is right. But yeah, this was the vlog this week. Thanks guys for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Subscribe the channel, press the like button and the notification bell as well, and let me know what you think about Rosie. Yeah, and if you want to see her again in the next or upcoming vlogs. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.